Ever struggled with a tricky dishwasher installation that took twice as long as it should? Or dealt with complaints about complicated setups? LG dishwashers are here to change that. Fast, simple, and worry-free installations make LG dishwashers the easiest choice for pros or DIYers. Stone countertops? No problem. LG dishwashers offer flexible mounting options. Secure them to the underside of a countertop or the side of a cabinet. It's built for any kitchen setup. Peace of mind comes standard with every LG dishwasher. The base on every model channels water and electrical lines neatly to their connection points, making installation a breeze. Furthermore, the base catches any water that might leak during a cycle. Should enough water trip the built-in float sensor, it will shut down the cycle automatically, protecting your kitchen and the rooms underneath. Leveling a dishwasher has never been easier. LG's adjustable rear foot can be adjusted right from the front, saving you time and your knees. Just slide it in, level it, and you're good to go. With a factory-installed 3/8-inch brass fitting, LG dishwashers reduce the risk of leaks and eliminate the need for an adapter, saving you both time and money. LG dishwashers feature a conveniently located front electrical junction box for quick access. Whether you're hardwiring or using a plug-in setup, installation is simple and straightforward. The no-fuss sound insulation blanket slides smoothly into place, helping you avoid installation snags and ensuring a snug professional fit. LG dishwashers adapt to your space. With height settings as low as 33 5/8 inches or even 32 1/4 inches, they fit perfectly. Even in kitchens with stacked flooring, like tile over hardwood. LG's ThinQ Care adds an extra layer of confidence. From monitoring potential water supply issues to diagnosing problems, it keeps you informed right from your smartphone. Whether you're selling or installing, LG dishwashers make life easier for you and your customers. Choose LG for simple, reliable, and professional installations every time. Life's good when installation is this easy.